Once again, a panel of judges hearing a legal challenge to Alabama's congressional map approved by the state legislature.
The previous one was thrown out for not properly representing the state's black population, and this latest one may also face the same fate. Josh Gant has more details from the courtroom today.
Federal judges really peppering these attorneys with questions today. During this hearing, one judge asking one of the attorneys for the state if lawmakers deliberately ignore the court's order to create a second majority black district. The state was ordered by the U.S. Supreme Court to redraw maps that include 2 majority black districts, but the map lawmakers recently redrew did not include that. The plaintiffs' attorneys argue that legislators were involved in what they call gamesmanship rather than a good faith effort to comply with the court's order. Attorneys for the state argue that the new plan actually complies with the Voting Rights Act, and they accuse the plaintiffs of racial gerrymandering over traditional guidelines for drawing districts, like keeping them compact and keeping communities of interest together. A short time ago, House Democrats say it is past time for Alabama to do the right thing and redraw the maps that are fair and also have fair representation.
It is the Republican supermajority that passed maps that defied the Supreme Court. Please make that distinction. There is not one black member standing here and not one Democrat that supported the congressional maps that were passed.
What we're saying today, it is time for Alabama to move on and to be fair to blacks in Alabama. We're looking for fair maps and fair representation.
No reaction from the state after this hearing, but the court is giving everyone involved until Saturday at 8 a.m. to submit any final arguments. Depending on the ruling, this case could end up in the hands of a special master and a cartographer who could end up redrawing these maps. In Birmingham, I'm Josh Gant, WBRC, Fox 6 News, Underside.